fears of COVID-19 spreading, Intermountain Healthcare says they are being inundated with people who think they have COVID-19.
Fox 13's Lauren Steinbrecher joining us now from Intermountain Medical Center to explain why they are telling many people not to go to the doctor, at least not yet. Lauren.
Yeah, Amy and Bob. So doctors here are certainly ready for an influx of patients who may be sick with COVID-19, but they want to be absolutely sure they are caring for the people who are most ill and need their help.
These ER doors have seen a surge of people flooding through, worried about coronavirus. People with mild symptoms or who aren't even sick, wondering if they have COVID-19.
Unfortunately, this time we can't test everybody.
While IMC says their staff is ready to respond to the increase in patients, they don't want the public to panic and overload their hospitals and clinics. So here's a little guide on what to do. First, feeling sick? Don't leave home. Instead, call your doctor and use telemedicine before heading to a clinic.
Families and those that cohabitate together can do very simple things, such as trying to quarantine the sick individual in the house or the apartment or place where you live away from the other healthy individuals.
Second, wash your hands often and practice social distancing.
We want people to avoid going to social gatherings to mitigate the transmission of the virus. So that's not going to restaurants. That may not be going to concerts or church services.
Third, did we mention social distancing? Doctors say that goes for everyone. Even younger, healthy adults with no symptoms can spread COVID-19 without knowing.
You may not be critically ill and need care in an emergency department, but you may be able to transmit it to your family, to your grandmother, to your mother, who may be 65 with a condition that puts her at risk.
Lastly, how long will this last?
We will likely be having to do this social distancing for maybe up to 2 to 3 months. But this is a small price we have to pay to protect our community and keep ourselves safe.
Now, IMC says right now the risk is pretty low for COVID-19 transmission from person to person to person in the community. However, that can change within days or weeks, which is why they say it is so important to keep your distance from people in public. Live in Murray, Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.